The importance of food engineering. The food and beverage business is a consumer-oriented sector in which not only do consumers want more customized products and services, but sustainable products and production methods also play an important role. We focus on food and engineering projects involving machinery for a certain industry. Plastics, pharmaceuticals, food and beverage engineering, personal care, and home care are among the industries represented. We deal with every aspect of the apparatus, from installation to disposal. We have well-known consultants who have been involved in the respective sectors for many years. The specialists can discover new requirements for the organization. They have the capacity to recommend appropriate machinery based on the needs of the organization. The food and beverage engineers recommend the machinery and equipment while keeping the proper maintenance methods in mind to improve the effectiveness and longevity of the setup. In addition to improving production levels, our experts also ensure the safety of both workers and materials. The experts go on to advise the proper intervals for calibration to reduce waste in the production process as well. They oversee the machinery, including how it is used, and train the in-house personnel. Food industry. The food engineering industry is made up of a vast, complex group of enterprises that provide food. The food engineering industry includes everyone from farmers to the distributors of packaged foods. People who sell food in all its forms to consumers are part of this vast network. In the food sector, drinks and their distribution are not included. When it comes to this market, our services include everything from launching a business to expanding and sustaining it for a long time. Efficiency in design, energy-saving solutions, sanitary after-sales services, and equipment longevity are our responsibilities. We have specialists all across the globe who can assist you in any difficult situation in a short period of time. Every action we do is based on satisfying the needs of our clients.
Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.